Hey guys, we just arrived in Point Lobos. It should be pretty amazing today, so let's do it. Okay, we just came down to like this end of this trail. We saw like in the last 3 minutes literally an albatross, a pelican, and a couple of lizards, and then I don't know if you can hear it, but the sea lions are shouting something. I'm not sure what they're shouting, but they're trying to get our attention, but we can't see them, so we're gonna go and try and see where they're hiding. Guys, it's now 10:44 and it took us about an hour and 10 minutes to walk around Point Lobos. It's really beautiful. I would really recommend you coming here. We just finished walking through the Garrapata park, and then we walked just about 100 meters down on the beach, turned right, and we ended up in this amazing valley of white lilies, completely out of nowhere, and it's just gorgeous. Okay guys, we made it to Pfeiffer Beach and it's supposed to be amazing as usual, as everything else in Big Sur. So it's just a 2-minute walk, so we're just going to walk up and have lunch there as well. So we made another stop, and basically obviously the way that Big Sur works is that you just keep driving and then you see something nice and you're like, ooh, and you stop.
Literally.
So yeah, you just like hold on for your life. But it's been really nice, and we just got out of Pfeiffer Beach and now we're just driving and stopping doing some vista stuff.
We just parked the car here and we're gonna go all the way down to see McWay Falls. Made it to our Airbnb here in Santa Cruz, and it's super quiet. It's in the middle of the forest. You can only hear the birds chirping. And I'll also show you the room. Okay, this is the room that we got, and it's a queen size bed. It has a lot of storage room, and the best part is the balcony. It's huge.
Hey guys, it's another amazing day here in Santa Cruz, and we just woke up, got out of our Airbnb, and we're on our way to a coffee shop called The Verve, and it's like, it has amazing reviews on Google Maps, which is how I found it. It's like 4.8. So we're gonna head up, get some caffeine, and then take enough energy to get out again to the winery. So today is our second day on the road, and the fog has rolled in. It's cloudy, you can't really see much. So we were so lucky that yesterday when we were on the Big Sur, it was, you know, it was just gorgeous weather. It would have been pretty depressing with this weather, I have to say. Although people say like the fog rolls in quite often during the summer, so it's still beautiful. We're finishing up our day. It's just over 3 p.m. We're at Hahn Estate and we're just gonna start our drive back. We will post every place we've been to in the description, so make sure you subscribe and we'll see you on the next adventure. Cheers.